So that back to this point, there's the sadhaka roop and there's the siddha roop. So in Spurti, when you're meditating on lila or any kind of meditation, whether you're a beginner, nartanivritti stage, or whatever stage where your ruchi, your taste, I don't say ruchi as a stage of bhakti, but your taste and attraction takes you to them, to Radha and Krishna Yugal and Vrindavan and their Madhura Lila, and that taste is the basis of rag, that labda, lobe, to be there. So then you're going. So then when you're meditating, or in this person, the shishya, maybe shiksha shishya, I don't recall it arrangement, but this quote-unquote shishya of Gopal Bhatta Goswami, he was in his Srupa Vashta, means absorbed in his spiritual form, because he's with Radharani, and he got the tumble, the prasadi that was prepared by Rupa Mandri and given to Lalita, and Lalita gave it to, or Vishaka, and Vishaka gave it to Radha, and Radha put it directly in Shyam's mouth, and Shyam chewed it, and kept it for some time, and so much she was with Radharani, enjoying the intimacies and of love dalliance. And after some time, then during those intimate exchanges, then he passed that tumble to Radharani. Then Radharani relished that tumble, and then she winked at her manjari, and she came and with her hand and put her hand like that, and Radharani just, even with that sound. So then that manjari, it's one thing to remember the taste, but it's another thing to remember the sound and the taste. This is rasa swarana, and this is shabda swarana. Every day we take Giriraj's Mahaprasad, Radharani's, Guru Mahaprasad, Radharani Mahaprasad. And so it's the rasa swarana, my tongue is relishing this Krishna Dara Amritam, the nectar of Krishna's lips. Mahaprasad always produces bliss. However we can relish bliss according to our adhikar and our development. So this person in his siddha, Sarupa Vesh, absorbed in his siddha deha, he got this, and he took it.